Hi guys, I was going to do a really ambitious video about this and that. I'll do that later, but since I still have one video without sound, let's do some sound effects, right? Let's see here. Media source. Okay. Where did I keep those videos? Here we go. And that should be it. There we go. Whoop. Awesome. So as you can hear, there's no sound. This is my semi-auto AKM variant with Zenitco furniture on it, and my Ultra SL7 suppressor. Okay, I'm ready to shoot. Pew! 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 It sounds different because the can is filled with gas and then there's less oxygen in it, so the sound changes during the firing. That's the reason. Also the the cover there is also Ultra's own cover. It's only Cordura, so you can't really fire that much through it before it starts to burn. Not really that good. So, well, yes, this video is not going to be more fun than this. Click, click, click. So, yeah. Anyway, have a nice night.